Hi, I'm Dr. Dominick Monaco, Director of Laboratory Operations at CLS Holdings, and today we're going to take you on a tour of our state-of-the-art extraction facility located here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We completed an approximately $4 million expansion and renovation of this facility in April 2020, and we now have the capacity to produce up to $20 million in extraction products annually. All of the biomass that comes into our facility arrives here in our intake area. Any material packaging is thoroughly sanitized with isopropyl alcohol to avoid contamination to the rest of the laboratory. After material is taken in, weighed and verified, then sanitized, it makes its way to our main laboratory facility. Plant material that is to be used for hydrocarbon extraction is stored in our walk-in freezer, which is kept at negative 25 degrees Celsius to preserve volatile terpenes and keep the material as fresh as possible. Material that would be used for ethanol extraction goes through our milling room, where we prepare it for ethanol extraction into distillate. Our facility has 5 Class 1 Division II fume hoods to house our ethanol extraction equipment. After milling, we take our input material to our first bay here for washing. After the washing process and 72 hours in the walk-in freezer, the solution is passed through a series of filters. After the filtration process, our solution undergoes solvent recovery in our rotary evaporators. After the majority of the solvent has been removed, our solution goes through a devolatilization and decarboxylation process to activate the cannabinoids and remove any unwanted monoterpenes before going through distillation. Once we have our solution filtered with solvents removed and decarboxylation complete, we put the oil through our VTA wiped film distillation equipment. The Root Sciences VTA, which stands for Verwahren Technikanlagen, leaves us with a clean, potent distillate that we use for our cartridges, vape pens, and tinctures. For material that is used to create our hydrocarbon extracted concentrates, we bring our fresh frozen to our Class 1 Division I rated extraction room. Once we've run our material through the hydrocarbon extraction process, we move them to our vacuum purging ovens, where we post-process into the desired consistency and remove excess solvents from the material. We also produce a wide range of tincture products here in the lab and formulate using a variety of base ingredients, including agave nectar, MCT oil, and glycerin. We nano-emulsify our tinctures to ensure homogeneity and consistency, so the end user can accurately measure and dose their product. After our extraction process is complete, final products are formulated and the appropriate hardware has been filled, we move into our shipping and receiving room. This is where all of our finished goods find their way into our recyclable packaging and are labeled with required information to remain compliant with the state. This is also where our orders are filled, packed, and made ready to ship out to dispensaries all across Nevada. As we produce more and more products, we're able to keep a significant amount of finished goods stocked and ready to go to our vendors so we can have a 72-hour maximum turnaround for these vendors. Over the last year, we've been able to significantly increase our output here at the lab. The new facility streamlines our processes and allows us to produce products that are high quality, safe, clean, and accessible to cannabis users of all kinds. We're incredibly proud of our team here, and their ability to adapt to challenges along the way has been truly great. Whether we're producing products of our own brand or processing materials for other brands, there's not a challenge that this team or this facility can't handle together.